everyone, welcome back to my channel. So picture this, you are in the brand new city. You got exactly 2 hours to explore and then everything changed. Boom! A full-blown blizzard hits. Was me in Minneapolis during my daughter's volleyball tournament. I had big dreams of sneaking out to explore the city, but instead, the entire place went into a state of emergency. Snow everywhere, ice everywhere, wind trying to steal my soul. It was my first time ever experiencing weather this extreme, and let me tell you, it was wild. Now here where the adventure really begins. Since I can't explore the city, I will explore the most famous place in it, Mall of America. Walking in from the freezing cold felt like entertaining another universe. Warm, bright, clean, and surprisingly calm because we got there right when it opened. The mall is huge, modern decor, familiar brands everywhere, and my favorite part, the gorgeous natural light pouring in from the ceiling. And then I spotted something very colorful from afar. Let me get closer to see what it is. Oh my, this sweet dessert will make my kids all smile and hyper up. It's tanghulu. It's juicy inside and crunchy outside. It is so yummy. Oh look, I also spotted something that made me stop in my track. An adventure park inside the mall? Yes, the whole theme park inside a mall. Since I do not have enough time to explore the theme park, I immediately added that to my next time for sure list. No worries, for today we found something even more magical, a hidden gem that my little one absolutely loved. La, a super neon store, glowing like a portal to another dimension. For a solid hour or two, we just forget about time. We play game, laughed, explored, and acted completely silly together. You guys, this place was unreal. Each room had a different theme filled with glowing neon lights, colors everywhere, and the kind of energy that makes you forget about time. It was like stepping into a video game, a dream, and an art exhibit all at once. And the best part, my kid forgot her phone even existed. The neon figures were adorable. The rooms were so creative, and it turned into the most unexpected quality of time in the middle of a snowstorm travel day. Honestly, it ended up being the highlight of the trip. That's it, guys. Thank you for being here with me. Like and subscribe for more. Until next time, everyone, please stay safe. Bye bye.